In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clip on OBS Studio for live streaming. We're setting up OBS so you can capture smooth, high-quality clips while you're live. Start by launching OBS Studio from the main window, open Settings, then head to the Video section. Here's where you control your frame rate. Under Common FPS values, pick 60 for a smooth, widely compatible look that keeps file sizes reasonable. If you want ultra-smooth playback for slow motion or very fast games, you can use 120. To do that, open the drop-down, choose integer FPS value, and type 1 or 20. Just remember, higher frame rates demand more from your computer and create larger files, so make sure your system and storage can handle it. Next, go to the Output section and change the output mode to Advanced. This unlocks the options you need for efficient, high-quality recording. Then switch to the Recording tab. For the encoder, select a hardware option if available, such as NVENC on NVIDIA, AMF on AMD, or Apple's hardware encoder on macOS. Hardware encoding shifts the heavy lifting to your GPU, which keeps your stream stable and reduces the chance of dropped frames while you grab highlights. For rate control, select CQP. Unlike CBR, which forces a fixed bit rate, CQP adjusts data based on the scene's complexity to preserve detail where it matters. That's ideal for recording crisp clips without wasting bitrate during simple scenes. Set your CQ level between 16 and 20. Lower numbers mean higher quality and larger files. Higher numbers are lighter but softer. A value around 18 is a great balance for most systems, while 16 leans toward maximum quality if your storage and GPU can keep up. Set the keyframe interval to 2. This makes your recordings easier to scrub through and more compatible with editing tools and platforms that prefer 2-second keyframes. For the preset, choose between P5 and P7 if your GPU can handle it. These presets push for better visual quality and compression efficiency, but they do add load. If you see your GPU getting too busy or your stream starts to stutter, step down to a lighter preset to keep everything smooth. When everything looks good, click Apply and then OK to lock in the settings. With these adjustments, your live stream stays stable while your recorded clips look sharp, smooth, and ready for sharing or editing. That's it. Your OBS is now tuned for reliable live clipping. Thanks for watching and enjoy capturing those highlights.